Welcome to Solution Unlock channel. This is the place where you can find lots of cool stuffs about different things. We are going to explore a bunch of interesting topics and projects in our upcoming videos. Join us as we figure out problems and come up with creative solutions. In today's video, we are going to talk about a job that's really important now and we will even more important in 2024. It's the job of data analyst. In the data analyst career, uncovering meaningful insights from complex datasets serves as the key catalyst for informed decision making and strategic advancement. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future updates on data analyst content. A data analyst is a professional who examines, interprets, and analyzes data to help organizations make informed decisions. Their primary goal is to translate complex datasets into understandable and actionable insights. Data analysts work with data from various sources such as sales figures, market research, logistics, and customer behavior. Depending on the organization's need, the first task that data analysts perform is data preparation, collecting, cleaning, and organizing raw data to ensure accuracy and reliability. This process involves handling missing data, removing duplicates, and transforming data into a useful format. After that, in analysis and modeling, we apply statistical and machine learning techniques to extract insights and patterns. Moreover, in interpreting and reporting, creating visual representation of data using charts, graphs, and dashboards to make complex information more accessible to non-technical stakeholders. Additionally, communicating findings and insights through report and presenting, often providing recommendations based on the analysis. It's centered around contributing to improved decision making, enhancing customer services, ensuring efficient operations, and facilitating effective marketing efforts. In essence, data analysts play a key role in utilizing data to inform better decisions, evaluate customer services experiences, streamline operations for efficiency, and support strategic management and marketing initiatives. If you talk about the types of data analysis, there is five types, but we are discussing here the three types. The top three types are descriptive analysis, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analysis. The descriptive analysis is what happened and why, whereas the predictive analysis is what might happen, and the prescriptive will be what should we do. So the tools used in the descriptive one is data aggregation and data mining, and it is used when you want to summarize results for all parts of the business. Whereas in the predictive analytics, statistical models and simulation is used when you want to make an educated guess at likely results. However, prescriptive analytics uses optimization models and used when you have important, complex, or time sensitive decisions to make. In the field of data analysis, both soft skills and hard skills are crucial for success. Proficiency in tools and languages like R, Python, SQL, and data visualization tools. Understanding statistical methods and mathematical concepts to analyze and interpret data. Knowledge of database systems for efficient data retrieval and storage. Familiarity with the machine learning algorithms and techniques for predictive analysis. Whereas if we talk about the soft skill, they are equally important. Collaborating effectively with cross-functional teams and stakeholders, capacity to approach problems analytically and devise effective solutions, the capability of to identify and solve challenges both anticipated and unforeseen, so it should be addressed or learned. Here we will be discussing the most effective roadmap of data analyst, which consists of number one, Python, uh, that includes basics to intermediate like lists, functions, arrays, libraries like NumPy and Panda, which is mostly used in data analytics, and then SQL, in which we have the understanding of DDL, DML queries, joins, and keys. Moving towards mathematics and statics, it will consist of descriptive statics, measuring measures of dispersion, probability distribution, linear algebra. And at the stage of data visualization, we have understanding of Power BI, the most powerful tool, or tagline. If we talk about the advanced Excel or R part, it is optional, but some companies prefer this skill as well. Now here's the most important part of the video, the top 10 data analysis tools, which consist of monkey-learn. It employed for sentimental analysis, language detection, and other text-based tasks. After that, RapidMiner, it is utilized for data preparation, machine learning modeling, and deployment of predictive model. If we talked about Excel spreadsheet software, widely used for data analysis, budgeting, and financial analysis, it offers basic statistical functions and visualization tools. The Python general purpose programming language with intensive libraries like Panda, NumPy for data manipulation, analysis, and machine learning. Moreover, can open source platform for data analysis, reporting, and integration. It allows visual programming of data, workforce, and support various data processing tasks. And then it's the talent open source integration tool for data integration and ETL, extract, transform, load, process. It facilitates the integration of data across system. The most powerful Power BI business intelligence tool for data visualization and sharing insights across an organization. It connects to various data processes, data sources, and creates interactive dashboards. If we talk about programming languages, R language is statistical computing and graphics. R is widely used for static analysis, data visualization, and building statistical models. Airtable collaborate database tools combining the feature of the spreadsheet and database. It's used for project management, tracking, and collaboration, whereas the table data visualization as business intelligence tool, it helps in creating interactive and shareable dashboards for better data understanding. Hope you find good understanding from this video. The field of data analysis is dynamic and staying updated on new tools, techniques, and industrial trends is important for professional growth. I will be providing information on various free certification courses for data analysts in the future. If you are interested, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with the new video.